Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to return an item on eBay. So first of all, you could simply launch eBay application, or you could launch any search engine and go to the official website of eBay. I'm going to launch Google search engine. Then let's search for eBay. Now go ahead and tap on the official website link of eBay on top. Once you come here, make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of eBay's homepage. Then over here, go ahead and tap on the option of help. Once you come over here, you can see the category of suggestions for you. Let's go ahead and tap on return an item for a refund. Once you come over here, you'll see the option of open a return request or send the item back. Tap on any one of it. I'm going to tap on this first option of open a return request. Now you can go through all these details before you return your product. So once you go through all these details, simply tap on the option of start a return. Now over here, in case if you have certain items purchased, you'll find it over here. In my case, I do not have any items, so I'm not able to see it in the list over here. You can simply search that specific order by item or order number as well. Simply tap on it once you see it over here, and then you can process your return as well. So that's how simply you would be able to return a product on eBay. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.